First, let me tell you a little bit about what G Suite is. G Suite is all of the tools you're probably already using from Google and more. You get enhanced storage, you get enhanced features and functions, and access to apps that you're not using right now. Another thing is you can use G Suite to control your users' access. So you can set up email accounts much like a business does, using your business's name as the Gmail address and then having the username ahead of that. So you can control who gets to use your email system. It's secure within itself, within the organization, so you don't have to worry that your emails are passing to other servers and possibly accessible by third parties. So G Suite is just a really great kind of alternative to Office Suite. If you want to sign up for Google's G Suite referral program, all you have to do is type G Suite referral program into the search window of your browser and pull up this page. You should be using Google Chrome, of course. Fill out this form for Google, and if you're accepted into the program, you will soon get an email from Google that looks like this. And let's scroll down here a little bit. Google will send you your own unique link that you can share with other people on social media, blogs, or websites. And when people click on this link, they will get a free 2-week trial of G Suite. And if they also use one of these codes that Google gives you to give to them, then they will get 20% off on their first year of services. You will get credit when they use this link to sign up, and Google will pay you after they've been a paying customer for 120 days. You have to keep in mind that the first 2 weeks is a free trial, so it's 120 days after the free trial ends. When people click on your unique link, it will take them to a page that looks like this, and they can have a choice of either signing up for G Suite Basic or G Suite Business. If they sign up for G Suite Basic, after they've been a paying customer for 120 days, you will be paid $15 per user that signs up under that account. If they sign up for G Suite Business, you'll get paid $30 per month per user. In India and Mexico, only G Suite Basic is available. Once you become a member of G Suite's referral program, you can start referring G Suite right away. And G Suite gives you access to this page, which has links to all kinds of great tools which will help you refer G Suite to people so you can be successful in earning money online from home. The tools include templates for emails and websites that you can send to people with your link included so that they can click on it and go to the sign up page. It also has a social media toolkit with pre-written social media posts that you can post on social media along with your link. They, as I mentioned before, will give you these promotion codes that allow you to give people 20% off on their first year of service with G Suite. It includes a one-pager sheet that you can send to people or put on your websites with all kinds of information about the great features of G Suite. And they also give you these digital buttons that you can download and then put on your email signatures or on your websites or blog posts so that people can easily click on your link and sign up for G Suite. The referral program is available in all of these countries, and if you need to find this page, just type in referral program supported countries, G Suite, and you'll find this page here. And these are all of the countries where you can offer G Suite, where you can offer, and these are all of the countries where you can offer the discount on G Suite and offer people to sign up with your link. Uh, keep in mind that if you want to offer G Suite in India, you will need to apply to them separately. They're the only country that has a separate referral link that they will send you. So you got to just remember that. Another thing to note is that, as I mentioned before, in India and Mexico, only G Suite Basic is available. Now, while you can use your original link, referral link that G Suite sent you for all of these other countries, if you want to offer the 20% discount in those countries, you have to apply to the program just like you did back on that initial application page right here, and just choose from the drop down list the country that you want promo codes from, and they will send you promo codes specific to that country. One of the first things I did after I became a member of the G Suite referral program is I created a Facebook page with a link with using my unique referral link for people to use, and also linking to a web page I created. Uh, and I created sort of a logo. I took a picture that I kind of reminded me of the Google Chrome logo, and I kind of altered the colors a little bit to match the Google Chrome logo a little bit, and I thought that made a nice presentation for referring G Suite. Of course, the Facebook page links to the web page that I created. I created this web page for free using Google Sites, and just another one of the great advantages of using Google applications for everything. And I created pages for all of the countries that I showed you before with links to both sign up for G Suite in that country and to get the 20% discount in that country. The website includes a link to this form that I created using Google Forms. And this form allows people to enter their email address and indicate whether they want G Suite Basic or G Suite Business. And then they also need to let me know what country they're in. That way I can send them the right promo code for that country. Once they click submit, I get an email, and within the next couple days I will send them the promo codes so that they can get 20% off on their first year of G Suite. Another thing that I did was I created a Google Ads account, and I linked it to the website, and I created a Google ad offering people the 20% off, and I run this ad. You can see here I've gotten 762 clicks on the ad over the last 7 days, and or I guess 5 days really, and this is how many impressions I got. My click-through rate is almost 4%, which is about average, and my average cost per click was 4 cents. My total I've spent so far in that period is $30, and I can't track conversions unfortunately because I'm using a Google site, but Google did send me a summary of the sales that I'm making, and I'm pretty pleased with that, and it's growing. Using Google Ads can be a little tricky, and I have had to make some adjustments to this, and I've had to do a bit of experimentation with this. I definitely recommend if you click here, there's a phone number, and call them and have them help you, walk you through getting your ads set up. Uh, because you'll save yourself a lot of headache and a lot of experimentation. I was getting a lot of traffic from this ad, but I noticed a lot of the traffic coming from it wasn't very relevant. And so I called them up and they were really helpful and they helped me adjust the ad to get more relevant traffic. Another thing that I did was I set up a Google Analytics account and I linked that to the website so I could further track the traffic to the website. And I also imported the data from the Google Ads account into this, so it's incorporated in here. And this is what I was talking about. I was getting a lot of traffic from the ad I was running, but a lot of it wasn't very relevant. So I made an adjustment here and I see a drop in traffic, but I'm okay with that because this is better traffic. I'd rather have 33 users who spend uh, more time on my web page than 103 users who don't, who spend less than a second and aren't really interacting with my page. The better you know about the great features of G Suite, the easier it will be for you to inform others about these great features and for you to be successful in referring G Suite. So right now, before you do anything else, I want you to go to my website, www.trygsuiteforfree.com. Click on the country you're in. Use my link to order G Suite. Then click here to get your 20% discount. Fill out the form. Let me know whether you want basic or business. Let me know what country you're in. Click submit. And in a couple of days, I will send you your promo code so you can get 20% off your first year. And you can start referring G Suite right away. And you can start making money online from home, just like I do. Thanks a bunch for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.